Hey guys, did you watch the Samsung Unpacked 2021 event last week? The company revealed two foldable smartphones, which are the Galaxy Z Fold3 5G and Galaxy Z Flip3 5G. So are you into the Galaxy Z Flip3 5G like me? Cut the crap and let's unbox now. Oh my god, does it look pretty? Look like a compact powder? It is light and small that can fit into my palm perfectly. The Galaxy Z Flip3 come in total of 7 colors compared to the previous model which only has 3 color choices. The color include cream, green, lavender, phantom black, grey, white and pink. Guess you can get the perfect color for yourself or your loved one. Just in case you worry that you can't find the ideal phone case, don't worry because it is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus armor aluminum frame and rated IPX8 water resistance. Of course, my advice is don't purposely drop it just to test out the device. As for the display, it remains the same size, which is 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X and upgrades the refresh rates from 60Hz to 120Hz. However, the cover screen got a bigger upgrade and now measure a 1.9-inch Super AMOLED display. You can now see incoming notification, a music playlist, photos, and even Samsung Pay. It features a Dolby Atmos stereo speaker and you know you can get a better watching experience. On the other hand, it sports a Snapdragon 888 chipset, 8GB of RAM and 2 choices for ROM. It has 128GB and 256GB of internal storage to let you decide. The company also claimed that the CPU, GPU and NPU have upgraded as well by comparing them to the previous model. Moving on to the cameras, it sports a 10MP selfie snapper and a dual rear camera with 12MP wide lens and 12MP ultra wide lens. The perks of having this device are you are no longer have to bring along a tripod or ask someone for help to take photos or videos because of the flex mode. Thanks to the flex mode, you can now use your phone hands-free by standing it up on a surface and take your camera experience to a whole new level. There's no camera bump that you can find on this device, so it is pretty sleek and slim. Besides that, the device is powered by a 3300mAh dual battery that supports 25W wire charge and 11W wireless charge. For me, the battery capacity is decent, and if you worry about the device might run out of battery, then you may bring along a power bank. Other than that, the device supports 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, Run One UI 3.1 based on Android 11, NFC, and Samsung Pay. Please take note that wired headphones and charging adapter is no longer come in the box. As I mentioned earlier, there are 2 variant memory configuration and of course the price tag will be slightly different. The 8GB plus 128GB will come with a price tag of 3,999 ringgit and 4,199 ringgit for the 8GB plus 256GB variant. Personally, I think it suits people who are more fashionable and girls who always bring small purse because it is compact, stylish, and I can take selfie without bringing the tripod around. Oh yeah, with this smartphone, you not only can use the selfie snapper to take a selfie, but also with the rear camera. All you have to do is just double tap on the side key to launch the camera app without unfolding the Z Flip3, and you can start taking photos or video by just pressing the volume key. Cool, right? So, yay or nay from you? If you are interested in it, you can now pre-order the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G from 19th of August. Let us know what are your thoughts in the comment section below. Share this video, hit the likes button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Deborah and remember to stay safe.